Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. In this video, I will guide you through the process of creating a WhatsApp group. Let's get started. Firstly, open WhatsApp on your device. Then, navigate to the chat screen. On Android, you'll find three dots in the top right corner, while on an iPhone, there's a Create button represented by a square with a pen or pencil in it. Click on those three dots, or the Create button, and tap on New Group. On an iPhone, simply tap on the Create button. From there, you can choose who you want to add to your group. You can search for them or scroll through your contacts to select them. After you've added the participants you want in your group, click on Next at the bottom. Now you can edit your group. Name your group by typing in a name, such as Test. You can also set a group icon by tapping on the camera button in the top left corner. From there, you can choose from various options. Here you can click on the emoji option, for example. You can select from a variety of emojis or use a smiley face. You can also choose whether you want messages to disappear, and you can review the group permissions as well. And that's it. Simply tap on Create or the checkmark icon, and just like that, you've created a group in WhatsApp. Now you can start messaging, chatting, and even make calls within the group. Now we will further set up our group by simply clicking on its name at the top. Just tap on it, and then more options will appear. You can also add a group description. This can include group rules and regulations, announcements, or anything else relevant to the group. You can also add a quote or any text you like. For example, subscribe to the channel. After you're done with the description, simply click on OK. You can see that the description has been updated. If you scroll further down, you can also set up disappearing messages. Then, there are group settings. Here you can manage who can message, who can edit, and who can edit admins, similar to when we were setting up the group initially. After that, if you want to add further participants, you just click on Add Participant, and then select people from your contact list. And that's it. This is how you can create a WhatsApp group. If you found this tutorial helpful, please make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.